So I'm Niranjan and I take care of technology in Glynk. So Glynk is an online social networking platform which connects like-minded people across the globe. So you can think of us like a global community which connects all people who are interested in similar interests. Say for example, you are interested in music, you can connect with someone else who is also interested in the type of music that you are interested in across the world, anywhere from the world. And we also do communities which are close to a location, say office or around your neighborhood or in your residential areas or in Bangalore, in the city or something like that. So that close community is also something that we do, and everything is based on connecting like-minded people based on interests that they are passionate about. So that's what Glynk is about. So
Okay.
we are currently about 500,000 downloads across Android and iOS.
Wow.
And
That's great.
yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, that's
Cool.
Glynk.
So
Yeah.
can you tell a little about how you use DigitalOcean within
So
Glynk?
DigitalOcean is where we run our APIs, monitoring, messaging, queuing, tasks, name it. Everything runs on DigitalOcean. We constantly have DigitalOcean live on our phones and laptops, and we constantly keep checking what is the uptime, what is the graphs, what is the CPU, what is the memory, what is the hard disk usage, like everything completely. Entire thing runs on DigitalOcean. If DigitalOcean goes down today, we are done. So yeah, so DigitalOcean is where our entire life is. So we are a pure tech company, so everything is technology. So the entire backend of our company runs on DigitalOcean. So we currently run about 15 servers, from development to staging to production, everything is there. So we monitor it, also inbuilt monitoring. So now I think recently they added monitoring, recently they added load balancing, they added volume storage. Volume storage was before, and I think the latest addition was firewalls. So before we were using something of our own firewall until then, now we started using the inbuilt firewall. So yeah, everything is on DigitalOcean.
Awesome. So you use it for dev, test, staging?
Dev, test, staging, prod, everything, yeah. And we run huge databases, we run huge backups, run replications at multiple levels to make sure there's uptime, like 99% uptime. Like last 10 months, I think we have had 100% uptime. It didn't go even once.
Wow.
And so we had built our own load balancing system using a lot of our own technologies until recently. So once the load balancers from DigitalOcean, started coming in, we were even part of the initial beta program of DigitalOcean, of the load balancer. We started using it since then. It was in production. Since the load balancer of DigitalOcean was in beta and we were using it on production. So yeah, it has worked out pretty well, and monitoring is something that has helped, and that connected to Slack now lets us know directly when what is going on and everything. So yeah, completely on DigitalOcean.
Awesome. So
yeah.
what is it that you love about DigitalOcean?
So the thing I love about DigitalOcean is how cheap it is. That's the first thing. So at price point, it comes at very competitive compared to AWS or Azure or take Linode or anything even closer. So that's the thing. And the second thing is support. So that I have actually measured the support time. So I have sent a lot of support emails. We have sent a lot of support things. So I actually have a graph of how fast they respond. It is within a minute. So the support responds within a minute, and they are very active. And the downtimes and everything is so okay, I've hosted servers across a lot of platforms. So I have hosted servers across Azure, I have hosted servers across AWS and things like that. And I wouldn't point out any problems, but the thing is, I have never got my server restarted in DigitalOcean without me being informed at least 20 days before. So that has never happened. So we are always, that's what got us to 100% uptime. So we always know, when something is going to happen so that we are ready. And support is always there. So when something happens, we always go to the support and, they respond and we get to know what is going on and immediately we try to fix it. So yeah, that's the thing. So support and cheapness.
So Niranjan, can you tell a little more about how Hatch has benefited you for your business?
So Hatch got us started. So basically, when we were about say 5,000 users, 5,000, we had only our Android running, and we had about 5,000 users. That's when we got into the Hatch program. So Hatch helped us scale from 5,000 to 500,000. Wow. So you can imagine, the amount of growth. So that's what Hatch has helped us, and this is over last 10 months. So last October is when we got into the program, and now it's July. I think we still have like 2 more months of the program left. Mm-hmm. And by the program ends, we are here, we are at a huge milestone. So we crossed 10,000 users, we crossed 50,000, we crossed 100,000, and now we'll cross 500,000 in maybe 2-3 months.
Awesome.
So yeah, that's how Hatch has helped us.
So how's the Hatch Founder Circle event been so far for you?
It's being good. It's being good. Yeah, it's going on good. It's a good place that you have chosen. Cohorts is like this is a cool ambience and stuff. Yeah, it's going on good. Like I really looking forward to meet more people here right now and learn more.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. By the way, we work out of here.
Oh, is it? That's pretty. I was actually trying to Google, DigitalOcean India office. Nowhere in the maps it showed up. It was not there anywhere. That's okay. I thought these guys are running some secret office somewhere, making sure people don't know and things like that. And we are also trying to find out where the BLR infrastructure is hosted.
Okay.
Even that is something that we couldn't find out. I think that is a secret. I hope that is a secret because I don't want someone stealing my stuff. So yeah. Anyway, so it's a good place and yeah, it's going on good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Thanks so much.
No
Niranjan.
problem.